This Select Realty property video is presented by Bobbie Himel. Exciting opportunity, thriving aircraft engine repair shop with 5,000 square feet warehouse, living quarters, and hangar. This well-established business, serving the aviation industry for over 40 years, is booming. The property features a spacious warehouse for efficient operations, an airplane hangar, and potential for business expansion. Convenient living quarters with 3.5 bathrooms and 1 full bathroom are included. Located in a prime area, the property attracts a steady flow of clients. Don't miss this chance to own a successful aviation business. For more information, review the details below or contact Bobbie Himel at 479-394-7676.